Hello, we are back and I am so excited to share this amazing, very, very easy, healthy, delicious chocolate recipe with you guys. This is my version of chocolate pot de crème. It is completely vegan, it is nutritious, and it's easy. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut our avocados in half. Now you want really ripe, soft. See how they just squeeze right out? You don't want your pit. If they're a little bit brown, that's okay. You want them to be creamy, delicious, and soft. So these go right in, just like that. Your hands might get a little bit messy, but it's really okay. So we have our beautiful avocados. Now we're going to add some semi-sweet chocolate. You can pick your favorite chocolate. I have softened it on a double boiler. It's melted, and you can use as much as you want. So you can leave it out and just use the raw cacao, and then it will be a little bit lighter. But if you want it to be a little richer and more decadent, then go ahead and use the solid chocolate and melt it. So I've melted about 8 to 10 ounces on the stove on a double boiler. Yum. And then we're gonna add our raw cacao, which is so healthy. I have some mushroom powders here. We have like reishi and turkey tail and cordyceps. Use whatever you love. They're tree mushrooms, super healthy and medicinal. I have vanilla extract. And I have a little bit of agave. Now you can use agave nectar, you can use coconut nectar, you can use maple syrup here if you like, whatever you prefer. Pinch of sea salt. A little dash of cinnamon. You don't need much, just a little to sort of, all of these things are just masking the avocado flavor. And this guy right here, this is just espresso powder. That does a really good job at adding another depth of flavor. And a cup of dairy-free milk. I'm using cashew today. Zip it up. Okay, and if you like a lighter chocolate pot de crème, you can add more milk. But, I mean, can you see this? I mean, it's glistening and creamy. I mean, it's just magnificent. It's amazing. Okay, so you want that to go for about 5 minutes. You want it super creamy, super rich. You don't want any chunks of the avocado. It may need a little bit more than 5. But that should do it. So now we're gonna make just a beautiful strawberry raspberry sauce to go on top of our pot de crème. So all we have in here are just some fresh strawberries and raspberries. Again, a little tiny pinch of sea salt and just a drop of sweetness. Now that depends on how sweet and delicious your berries are. Okay, so now you have your simple berry sauce. Takes just a second. Okay, so we're gonna get this guy out of the way. I've transferred it to a squeeze bottle. It just makes garnishing easier. Now we are going to plate up our gorgeous pot de crème. Now what I've used are these tiny little 4-ounce glass jars. They're perfect because you can fill them up and put the cap on. You can take them to a barbecue or a picnic. You guys aren't gonna believe this. You taste no avocado and it's got that creaminess that pot de crème has. So I'm just going to put in 3 large tablespoons. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm going to show you some that I already have made. Rich and delicious these are. So what I like to do to cut that rich chocolatey flavor is just put some of this raspberry strawberry sauce on top, and that tartness just really kind of cuts that creamy sweetness. These are unbelievable, and I'm not even just kidding you guys. I mean, I would never just kid you guys, but these are truly unbelievable. Now, if you wanted to just keep them all chocolate and not deal with the raspberry, you could do that. And you could just dust the top with a little powdered sugar, and there you have it. So let's dig in. I'm gonna go with this guy right here. Oh my God, do you see? I mean, the creaminess is unbelievable. And the flavor is unreal. This is such a winner, guys. You're gonna love these. You could go ahead, seal them all up, bring them to a picnic. You're gonna love this one. I hope you enjoy it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.